Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you own or control the copyrighted material and have written evidence. Gather exact timestamps, file names, registration numbers, and public links so your claim is precise. Next, log into the platform where the infringement appears and open the official DMCA or copyright claim form. Complete owner contact fields and describe the infringing use clearly. Once done, attach proof files and submit. Keep a copy of the completed form for your records. After submission, monitor the platform dashboard and your email for status updates and any counter notice. If the platform requests more detail, supply additional proof, registration numbers, creation files, or dated drafts so they can validate your ownership. If a counter notice arrives, evaluate whether to file a lawsuit within the allowed window or to negotiate a retraction. Act quickly because timelines are short. Make sure to document every exchange, because that record is what you will use if you ask. Finally, verify the outcome. Content removed, blocked, or retained, record the final status and any DMCA ID. If the counter notice was improper and the platform restored content, file a follow-up with more evidence and ask for escalation. If the platform refuses, consult an attorney for next steps. For troubleshooting, keep archived copies of infringing pages and all correspondence if evidence is lost. Recreate a chain of custody timeline and submit whatever dated files you have to support your claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.